Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft that allows users to create, track, and sort large amounts of data. Unlike Microsoft Word, an Excel document will consist of columns and rows where data can be placed. Data can be in the form of words or numbers, and if a numerical value is placed, then a formula can be applied to it. If you use this software, you might have noticed that if you type certain numbers, it will often be converted to dates. It does this automatically, and there seems to be no way to turn this feature off. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to stop Excel from changing numbers to dates. Changing the number format. If you enter a number in an Excel cell that includes slashes for fractions or hyphens for a numeric range, the software will usually convert this to a date format. So for example, if you type in 2/20, it will be converted to the 20th of February, or if you type in 5-20, it will be converted to the 20th of May. Since this is not the data that you want, you will need to make certain changes in the cell property. Open Microsoft Excel. Click on the program from the Start menu. Select the cell or range of cells that you want to stop Excel converting numbers to dates automatically. You can do this by holding the left mouse button and dragging the cursor over the cells. Right-click on the selected cells, then click on the Format Cells option. This will allow you to make certain changes in the cell property. Select Text on the Number tab. This is the first tab on the left. When text is selected, a cell is displayed exactly as entered. Click on the OK button. This will save the setting. Enter a space or apostrophe before the number. You can place a space or apostrophe before entering the number in the cell, which will then prevent the data entered from being converted to a date. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.